among day 2 guys diri sa DESTIN, Florida. Kay ugma manguli nami, ugma sa afternoon manguli nami. So mga ligo na sa migdagat karon paitong gyud.
Dili ato ta ugma sa naman.
So mga adto nami sa beach, gabi kainit, alas 10 na karon. Gabi kainit diri, so bahala na. Basta lang malingaw ni sa kababayan, maligog dagat.
Ayos, naka-park gid me. Cute! Hi guys! Blue kayo ang dagat. Kilamigin panahon. Excited na rin. I thought mag-ulan karon og tomorrow, but blue kayo sky. Nice yung weather. Init kayo. Nag-ulan si Yotcha. Oh my gosh, kainit karon.
Wow, kanay sa beach guys. The beach is so clear. That's why. The beach again, and it's our day 2 here in DESTIN, Florida. It's so hot over there, everywhere, all over the world. It's so hot over here, and I'm so tan, as in tan, and I don't like it. My skin is so burned. I want it to be burned. The beach is very so smiling at me, and I'm so shy. I'm shy type. Oh my god guys, look at the beaches over there. Over there and over there. And over there. So yeah. What? Like it's Kokak's Life. Yeah, that's our channel. What's that? Is that jellyfish? Oh.
Oh wow. Here's a big one.
Yeah.
We found a lot of jellyfish over there. Yeah, we went over there.
It's cool.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just your mom.
Hey, are you a YouTuber? Oh my god. Beaches.
Beaches.
Grabe na kami kaito.
1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Tama ka. Guys, na namin din so gutom na mga kain good na. Tapos nice kayo kay by the bay siya. Hey guys, mga yung pagkaon, calamaris and fresh oyster, shrimp and catfish. Let's eat guys.
Kamta.
Dito may nangaon no, dito may nangaon dapit. So kami nituyok kami dire. Suroy sa Baywalk man yata ni nila. Then nadiri mga yati. Kana ako na yati kana. Sa kababay naglakaw. Nagpadaplin.
The days and days before, sun is cold and rain was hard. I know it's been that way for all my time.
Hi guys, nagbaklay me. Nagpahangin me. Kaulan nun na. Ay, isa ka babae.
Puno ko ng ulan, nag-pool.
Puno ko na ulan. Baklay sa midiri sa Florida kay Murag. Pagkarat di ba